Not Swelele FC 1 Orlando Pirates. Sanibona bafethu uvanele. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngama positives nama negatives ale game ade siyibona namhlanje between the two teams adlala ku Betway Premiership. Swelele ade kuyiyona club ade idlala home la ade izohost Orlando Pirates bedlala khona eToyota Stadium ku stadium Orlando Pirates esathanda kuthola iwin yaso against iLaoli FC okuyi club yase Lesotho bafethu. So ngizokhuluma nje ngale game le. Yabo izinto engiyithandile kule game nezinto engayithandanga. First and foremost approach yale game. Yabo hlezi ngizoqala ngeapproach indlela ucoach ayapproach ngakhona le game le. Approach kule game le, to be honest bengasiyona iapproach mina if I had a chance yokuthi ngiset ischeme namhlanje si approach ngakhona. Approach was poor, to be honest. Be poor kakhulu approach because you cannot approach a game like, for me to be honest, you cannot chop and change a winning team. Why are you chopping and changing a winning team? To be honest, le game le bengimela besiqede first half. Le game bengimela biqedwe first half. Ukube siqale mhlambe ngescheme esakwazi ukuthi siqale ngaso, maybe sidlala neSteelers. Ukube saqala ngaso scheme leso, kabe le game sikwazile ukuyiwina. Ukube siqala ngescheme esazi kahle ukuthi sizotholela u3 points. Yabona lento le yoku undermine my team. Angazi indaba ade Islam wadu eqhubeka nalento le. Into eyenziwe uJose Riveiro last season. Asifuni bafethu uqhubeka nento efanayo njengalento yenzeka la season. I know you want to give these players a game time. Uzobanikeza game time. You will give these players a game time. But stop undermining these teams njengoSwelele FC. You can see Swelele FC shawe Durban City. You can see Swelele FC shawe Magis. You can see Swelele FC sishawa mhlambe yini iMarumo Gallants. But when they playing against Orlando Pirates, they want to excel, they want to play better, they want to play good. So don't undermine them and put abadlali ayabo abangajwayele ukudlala. I'm not saying Tito Maswangai abekho right. I'm not saying Sibelebele abekho right. I'm not saying other players who were given a chance today to play abekho right. All I'm saying is that why don't you start with the players you usually start with? If labo badlali abadlali kahle, introduce other players. Yabo, start with the players you normally start with. Yabo, I'm happy ukuthi Osinapolis came on and scored a goal. Vele into ade siyidinga vele Osinapolis le ukuthi angene ascore a goal. Yonke esiyidingayo. Ingakho sijwayele ukumfaka second half as a super sub. I know a lot of people don't like the landing zoyisho. I'm a big fan of Tito Maswangai, but when you bring on Tito Maswangai, sisuke sizofaka a creative midfielder. But today I didn't see a creative midfielder. Yes, we won 3 points siyawudinga kakhulu, ubumkhulu kakhulu 3 points esiwuthole namhlanje against iSwelele FC singadlali kahle. Yabo besingadlali kahle iqiniso nje mele libe lihle, but when you bring on a creative midfielder, yini umsebenzi wecreative midfielder? Yini umsebenzi wecreative midfielder? Namhlanje sisacrifice izinto eziningi kakhulu ukuze sithole nama points lawo. Bekushube ngempela namhlanje. Yabona namhlanje namhlanje bekushubile namhlanje. Angazi angifuni ukuthi sigxeke kakhulu ipitch. Yabo sometimes ngiye ngiyiboke le pitch yase Toyota Stadium ngisho ukuthi hayi le pitch yona umsangano le pitch. Yabo because indlela eseyiapproach ngayo ngokuthi sidlala neLaoli FC first half. First half yethu sidlala neLaoli FC sadlala umsangano. It's because of that pitch. Should be told. But second half we adjusted. Yabo we found ways to play according to the pitch. Yabo we found ways to play ibhola elibukeka uthi ibhola limnandi le second half. Yabo why first half singa approaching igame kanjalo? Because bese silazi vele ground uthi lumsangane ground. Why singa approaching kanjalo igame? Yabo mina ngokwami kwigame namhlanje bekumele sifake ama first team players because i-league game le. Yabo if you are serious about winning this league, kumele siqalise abadlali abantswempu ukuze kule game esoyidlala against iLaoli FC i-second leg okuyi second leg esilida ngo-3-0. We are leading ngo-3-0 kule second leg. Kumele sizofaka abadlali abangajwayele ukudlala. Why ke kule game urest abadlali? Why are you resting abo Sipho Mbuli? Why are you resting abo I know lomjida lo Osinapolis benomoremi abajwayela ukudlala second half? Maybe awubaqaliseke this time usheshe uyiqede igame. Yabo usheshe uyiqede igame sinikeza abanye abajidi ithubo badlale. Yabo so banikeza nale game yeLaoli FC but sinikeza labanye abajidi ithubo badlale. Yabo ngeke bafethu mele kushintshe nje kakhulu, but ke ngizokhuluma izinto engiyithandile bafethu manje kule game namhlanje. Ngithandile bafethu indlela ade idlala ngakhona, even though ade kunzima, but when you look i combination yethu emuva, Yabo, I feel like abantu abaningi abayinakile lento le. Kune combination lapha emuva yaSiyema Bonombokazi. Yabona uSiyema Bonombokazi bafethu. Uma siqhubeka kanje. Mesiqhubeka kanje awekho ama team azosithinta bafethu. When was the last time you saw Orlando Pirates concede goal? When was the last time you saw Orlando Pirates concede goal? Ingaba ama crosses, ingaba ama corner kicks, ingaba intontoni. You see the combination we have at the back. Sisazoya kude kakhulu bafethu. I don't want it to be broken. I don't want it to be broken. Right now we are doing very very good with those players. Ngifuna ukubona okukhulu abasawusinikeza kona. I know basawusinikeza izinto eziningi, but I want to see a lot. I want to see a lot from those players. I-combination yabo fit Umbokazi methola ibhola akatatazeli uyaphasa. uSiyema methola ibhola akatatazeli uyaphasa. Kuyinto le oyifunayo. Yabo, izinto kumele uzenze. I hope labe khona oSibisi benosisane bayabuka. I know they do the same thing. I know badlala kahle. Angifuni ukuthi mase be-introducewa sekulimele oyedwa lama center backs sibuyele sibe nenkinga. Yabo, angifuni sibuyele emuva sibe nenkinga. But I need to speak about a star of the match le bafethu. Yabona Oswina Police. The reason why we signed Oswina Police from iPolokwane City, we signed him because we knew ukuthi lo mjida lo uzosinikeza leyo nto leyo. He is the missing link. He was the missing link ku-Orlando Pirates. Yabo, he was the missing link. I'm not okay ukubona uSibelebele engasadlali kahle. Sibelebele first few games akhe umjida he was on fire. I don't know, maybe umjida right now salahlekelwe ispark kancane. I know ispark sakhe sazobuya mfethu Sibelebele, but Oswina Police bafethu. Oswina Police the last 3 games akhe for Orlando Pirates. The last 3 games wakhe for Orlando Pirates, he has been playing very very well. Even the last 4 games, because I think he scored against the Chippa United if I'm not mistaken, or created assists against the Chippa United. Wadlala kahle futhi against the Stellenbosch kwi-final. Waphinde futhi wazodlala kahle against the Loyal FC. Waphinde futhi wazodlala kahle kule game namhlanje, scored igoli elihle esethelwe uMaghopa. Abantu abaningi they are very 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 not okay nge-introduction yaMaghopa, because they said, why introduce uMaghopa? Because ngiyazi akora. You saw why Maghopa sim-introducer. You saw why Maghopa edlala ku-Orlando Pirates. He creates chances for the forwards. He doesn't score, yes, but he does create chances. So for me, kule game namhlanje, I wasn't impressed. Mase ngiyirate nje out of 10, I would give this game a 4. I would give this game a 4. To be honest, yeah, but it's a 4. It's a good 4. Not the fact that we didn't play good. Yes, we played according to the conditions of the pitch. Yeah, but we played well, but I'm going to give it 4 because of the approach we made going to this game. I feel like we undermined team njengeSwelele. I think we undermined iSwelele too much. If we stop undermining these small teams, i-league kungaba into esiyiwinayo. If we stop undermining these teams, kungaba into esiyiwinayo. But if we continue undermining them, forget about the league. Think about the Champions League. And funa khona nayo ucabange kahle ukala ukuthi siyodlala namapha ama-club. If you keep on undermining these teams, forget about the league. Think about the cup matches. Think about the cup competitions. Because there is no way you are going to win a league when you are undermining these small teams. I'm not calling them small. I'm just saying, based on the players they do have compared to Amadlali Orlando Pirates enabo ebabeke benchini, just because iyodlala nalama team lawo, you will never win the league. I'm telling you right now, you will never, because when these teams play, they want to make sure ukuthi they beat the likes of Orlando Pirates, they beat the likes of Mamelodi Sundowns, they beat the likes of Kaizer Chiefs. You will never win the league, I'm telling you. But ungangitshela wena ama comments, how do you feel about le game le? Ngokwami it was a 4 out of 10, but ke I'm grateful ngo 3 points esiwutholile. Let's see wena uthini ngale game le. Were you happy with the game or were you nervous towards the end? Nimbonile uSipho Chain evimba free kick ngeenyawo. Wenzani Sipho Chain lapha? Wenzani Sipho Chain? Wenzani?